Welcome back, Flare community. I hope everyone has had a fantastic week and is looking forward to the weekend. And to kick things off for this weekend, we've had some incredible news from Sparkle's NFT. Now, yesterday we got this very cryptic tweet from Sparkles themselves, and they said, "Tomorrow we will bring you a glimpse of what the Metaverse has to offer. Are you ready?" And that is today, and we have since seen that they have released this tweet here. And it looks as though they have partnered with what is called NetVRk to help bring Metaverse to the Flare network. Bring your NFTs to life. So let's check out this video here. In fact, I'm going to rewind it and I'm going to add the volume as well. So let's give this a quick listen. So that's it, guys. I really love the idea of the metaverse, and I'm very intrigued to see what you guys think too. So if you do have an opinion on it, please do comment below. So we're going to actually read the Medium articles provided by Sparkles NFT here. So let's quickly look over this. So, Sparkles partners with NetVRk, bringing the metaverse to the Flare network. Sparkles, which is the very first marketplace to be announced on the Flare network, is delighted to announce a new partnership with NetVRk, a blockchain-based metaverse built on the Unreal Engine that allows users to monetize their creations by utilizing assets and virtual land as NFTs, or non-fungible tokens. NetVRk is built on Ethereum and will offer interoperability to many blockchains, including Polygon, Binance Chain, Solana, Cardano, and now the Flare network. NetVRk's team are experts in virtual reality, or VR, and have been developing and crafting a beautifully immersive metaverse since 2016. So this is a project which has been in the works for a long time, and from what I've seen, it looks absolutely incredible, and we're going to show you a trailer of what they do in a short moment. This allows users to buy and sell virtual real estate, rent their land, build and create properties, and P2E, or play-to-earn games, host social, entertainment, educational, and business events, among other things. Beyond this, the innovative NetVRk team have not only created an incredible 3D experience, but also bring 2D accessibility to ensure the metaverse is available to virtually everyone. The partnership with Sparkles allows the innovation of cross-chain interoperability and the development of a revolutionary digital economy through NFTs, non-fungible tokens. Sparkles is proud to join NetVRk's already impressive list of partners in unlocking further utility and features for the billions of online gamers with play-to-earn gameplay. Sparkles will offer land and in-game items from NetVRk's Metaverse as NFTs on its marketplace, built on the Flare network, all of which will be accessible in-game with no need to exit the Metaverse. So it's basically linking these two worlds together. Sparkles is the NFT marketplace, and if you're actually in the Metaverse, the NetVRk's Metaverse, you're actually going to be able to access all of these particular NFTs, the Sparkle NFTs, which is obviously hosted on the Flare network. You're going to be able to access them in-game. Sparkles will be part of the crypto district in the Metaverse and will have a virtual gallery displaying select NFTs for users to enjoy as a new and exciting immersive experience. Sparkles sees gaming as the gateway to exponential adoption of NFTs, non-fungible tokens. NetVRk is providing users with the ability to unlock the full utility of what NFTs can be and do. We are so excited to bring Sparkles to the Metaverse and be able to share this experience with all of our users. There is so much to do on NetVRk, we cannot wait to bring you all on this journey through the Metaverse. Now, we're actually going to have a quick look at a video of theirs, but first we're just going to have a quick look at their website here, and I'm going to leave this in the description below if any of you guys want to get a little bit further understanding on what NetVRk actually is. So I'm going to round things up today by showing you this video here, which basically runs you through everything you can do, this 3D world, this Metaverse built by NetVRk. So let's give it a listen.
NetVRk. Three years ago, we began building a virtual reality universe where anyone can use their imagination to create their own virtual worlds. Today, we are thrilled to demonstrate the power of NetVRk's VR sandbox, where users can seamlessly create their own virtual universe, meet other people, earn money, and so much more. All you need are NetVRk's user-friendly VR tools and the power of your imagination. The first incredible thing about NetVRk is the way the land is created. All locations in NetVRk are uniquely generated by our proprietary software, meaning no mountain, river, forest, or other natural formation is similar to another one in NetVRk, making each piece of land completely unique. Users can also redesign the land by changing the land generation settings, or easily sculpt on top of it using our user-friendly sculpting tools. After creating their land, users can, for example, drag and drop complete buildings or other items onto their land, which are sourced from NetVRk's marketplace. In addition, designers, developers, and users will be able to upload their own supported assets and instantly offer them for all in-app purchases, or trade them with other users using NetVRk's marketplace. NetVRk enables users to quickly test their creation by switching between creative and immersive modes. We want users to be able to create their own unique virtual place as easily as it is to open a page in current social media networks and immediately invite their friends and other visitors for different purposes, such as socializing, gaming, training, and even work. We have developed tools to help users build better, faster, and easier. With our tools, users with no technical computer skills can perform a variety of tasks such as cloning, deleting, aligning, adding physics, and more. Users can also interact with elements that have physical attributes such as gravity, weight, or breakability. NetVRk also enables building assets, which are individual shapes that can be connected together, creating a variety of structures with their own unique purposes. We envision many future use cases, such as training simulations, education, architecture, product demonstrations, and even virtual blogging. Users are also able to create games on their land. Creating games in NetVRk is as easy as simply dragging and dropping ready-to-use gameplay.
So I'm just going to cut it there. I'm actually going to leave this link in the description below if you guys want to watch the full video. And, you know, it's just a really great concept. And, you know, maybe there's one day where we could have some sort of Flare community clubhouse in this particular metaverse. Just something to think about. I don't know. We'll see what happens. So that's the news today from Sparkles, guys, and I really hope you enjoyed it. It looks like there's a lot of development going on right now. Everyone seems super busy, and I absolutely love to see it. And now we're just awaiting the imminent launch of the Songbird network. So with that being said, guys, I hope you enjoy your weekend, and until next time, I'm out.
Mission Control, we have liftoff.